What if I told you that one of ChatGPT's biggest limitations has just disappeared, and you don't have to pay for it anymore? OpenAI has removed text length limits for free users, introduced the new GPT-5.6 Luna model, and added a brand new Think button. Before I show you exactly what changed, subscribe to the channel if you want practical AI updates without the hype. I cover only the features that actually make you more productive. Until now, free users often had to split long prompts into multiple messages. That limitation is now gone. With GPT-5.6 Luna, ChatGPT can generate significantly longer responses in a single conversation, making it much more useful for real work. This means you can now create full articles, detailed reports, and complete marketing strategies, long programming examples, and full study guides without constantly asking ChatGPT to continue. The other big addition is the new Think button. Instead of answering immediately, ChatGPT spends a little more time reasoning before generating a response, which can improve quality for complex tasks. For everyday users, this means fewer interruptions. Instead of asking ChatGPT to continue 4 or 5 times, you can often get the complete answer immediately. If you're a marketer, you can generate an entire campaign. If you're a student, complete study notes. If you're a developer, much longer code examples. If you're creating YouTube content, entire video scripts. Like this one become much easier to generate in one request. Millions of people now have access to a noticeably more capable version of ChatGPT without upgrading. My recommendation is simple. If you're asking quick questions, you probably don't need Think. But for planning, coding, research, writing, business analysis, or solving difficult problems, pressing Think is worth the extra few seconds. It's a small change that can produce noticeably better answers. This is one of the biggest upgrades recently. It makes the platform much more practical for everyday work. If you found this update useful, hit the like button. Share this video with someone who uses ChatGPT every day, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be covering every important AI update as soon as it's released. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.